world. Yours was probably the best looking actually. Although mine's got the fancy hipster dish, so yeah, can't win. Hello! I was about to say good morning and it's not morning. I am most definitely still in my dressing gown and I've got wet hair because I haven't done anything today apart from watch YouTube. I'm about to shoot some blog posts of some new things I've got. This is just a new top I bought yesterday. Some earrings. Although accessorised, why are they £17? I really struggle to find earrings that I like and that won't make my ears green. So I stood there for ages. I was really tired yesterday, like shopping. I was like, oh, I'll just buy them and then hopefully they don't turn my ears green and I'll wear them all the time. Anyway, Jake's gone to the gym. He went at 4 in the morning last night. I don't know how he does it. Like, woke me up at 4 and I had to have a lay-in to match him. We're going to go home tonight. I am going to Boots because we're running a 10k on Monday. I don't know if we've mentioned this. But my ankle's been really dodgy when I've been running on it recently, so I need to get some stuff to like wrap it up and make sure that I don't like cry halfway around. And I've made my 2 best friends do it with me this year as well, so I just have to be like the man about it and sort it out. That's not, I can't function today. Anyway, yeah, we're going back to Essex tonight, and I'm going to cuddle my pets again. Stool for like doing shots because our chairs, excuse the mess and my disgusting high vis, are always stacked like this and it's such a faff to get them out. But I'm really not tall enough to do this shot. Like, I suppose if I could do this, but I'm not shooting on this camera, so that's not helpful.
What are you doing it for?
You naughty dog.
She's boring me.
You naughty dog.
She's boring me.
No, you don't do that, because you get told off. Did you put your bandana on? Put your bandana on again.
Gypsy. Gypsy.
You know you're not allowed in there.
Go, come here. Go, come here. Don't paw me. Stop pawing me.
That's how she's giving you a cuddle.
Give me a cuddle.
World's naughtiest dog.
Very fluffy elbows.
We're going to have a barbecue, and I've got something on my face that looks like dirt, and it's a scar. So, don't you notice that today?
She's soft.
Are you giving that dog some love?
Yeah.
Are you giving her snazzy hair?
Yeah, she's soft.
She's got the best hair for snazzy doos. She's got the best hair. Come on, sit. This is why you're naughty.
She sat the wrong way.
My lips in your skin, you're touching my hair, intoxicated with you. My head in your chest, I'm a mess.
Extremely well. All she wants is a simple photo with a dog, and a dog decides, nah.
Idiot! Silly dog! Come here,
Nah, she'd rather just roll in the grass. It's much more fun.
Come here! You messed up your bandana. You want me to hit the dog.
Gypsy, you're standing all the way around. Right, what did she do? She is the princess. She wants to lick your face.
Disgusting.
Apparently you taste good.
I always taste good, but not with dog dribble.
The barbecue. Halloumi? Am I having barbecued leg of Livy? Why not? Well, sausages are indefinitely involved. Salmon? Yeah, I could probably do with a bit of salmon actually. No, I'm looking forward. Is this the first barbecue we've had this year? What?
Strawberry daiquiri in the freezer as well.
You know, I haven't actually tried that yet. You
Yeah, I
drank all the rest of them.
I had a very long day yesterday. I'll share it with you today. And I put
Yeah, but you could have let me just try a bit.
I put a bit of tequila in it, that was good. I lied.
Tequila.
Tequila.
Getting hot out here, so Livy's taking off all her clothes. Big ass dock leaves. Because I'm not surprised, 'cause there's nettles all over the place here. But I've never seen dock leaves this big. They're huge. That one.
Cocktails. Saturday night chef.
Sushi.
Yeah.
What are you doing? A salad?
Dave's cocktail isn't quite as pretty. He objects to having small glasses.
What's it taste like?
Just
Ice.
tastes like strawberries. Well, that's the whole point of it being a frozen daiquiri.
Whoa! Is that straight tequila in the bottom?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about that.
Ah! Yeah, but how are you supposed to drink that?
You gotta let it melt a bit first.
Yeah, but I just want straight tequila.
Don't do it by halves.
My lips and your skin, you're touching my hair, intoxicated with you. My head in your chest, I'm a mess, I confess. Intoxicated with
Alright, how's it going, guys? Yeah. I think let's turn down the music. Right. Sorry, I've not vlogged much this weekend. Well, I say this weekend, I was yesterday. Just today I've been trying to get some uni work done. My workload went from 0 to 100 very quickly. But I won't get into that now.
Yeah, I've heard the story too many times.
Yeah. So, we'll talk about that another time. Bit of negativity, but my uni cocked up, so. But aside from that, we're going back to Walden right now. Gonna run some errands. I left my hairbrush at my parents last week, so I need to go collect that. Liv needs to drop some thank you letters. Wow, my arm is aching after all this. So yeah, after we run our errands, just getting a little bit of a break from just working on the computer because it's really doing my eyes in. And then this evening, carry it on, and then tomorrow we've got our 10k run. Ski day.
D-Day.
D-Day?
Yeah.
That sounds a bit risky. A bit risque.
Shut up.
But yeah, we've got our Hatfield product 10k. So hopefully we can both beat our times from last year.
We'll see.
Which I think is achievable. We're both fitter than we were last year.
It's achievable if my ankle gets its shit together.
Yeah.
If not, then...
So yeah, I'm looking forward to it actually. Got to try and get some carbs in tonight. We had a lot of bread for lunch.
All I've done today is eat bread. So,
Yeah, same actually.
So I have a good
And bread
day.
and soup.
So I have a good day.
So we will have the energy which is needed for this run. So I'll catch up to you when I see my smelly dog. I miss his face when I'm in the when we're in London.
You sound like you say when I'm in the woods. I was like Jamie living in his bum.
Yeah, I know.
In London.
You just concentrate on your driving, go, yeah? Right, see you in a bit.
Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Is it? Oh, you silly puppy.
How you doing? Are you walking away from me now? Or are you going to sit in your bed? You going to come up here? He knows. He knows, don't you know? You're going to get comfy. Do you want some love? Oh, it's a hard life, isn't it, dog? Yes, it's a hard life. definitely if I come back, it will be as you. I want your life. Just chill all day. Eat, sleep, walk, repeat.